I paint a perfect picture, bomb the hooches with precision. My intentions to get with you with that and double OP. Dog, my fucking homie, use a cold ass nigga on them all.
Show enough, I keep my hand on my gun, cause they got me on the run. Now I'm back in the courtroom, waiting on the outcome. Free Tupac is all that's on the niggas' mind. But at the same time, it seems they trying to take mine. So I'ma get smart, get defensive and shit.